Hannah's Kitchen is a kids' culinary program that was funded in 2017 by the Hannah Pressman Green Foundation, and kids learn how to make healthy recipes, they learn how to chop and cut vegetables safely, they even make new friends along the way. Hannah's Kitchen is taught by registered dietitians, and all the recipes are developed by registered dietitians, so it means that all the recipes have that health conscious check in mind, that they're under all the dietary guidelines for Americans so that they taste great, but they're also really nourishing and healthy for you too. The goal of Hannah's Kitchen is to make sure that these kids that are coming to my classes know the importance of healthy eating, but also feel empowered and confident in the kitchen if they want to go home with their families or their friends and make the recipes. I have some kids who have never wanted to eat vegetables before, but they've come to my classes, and now that I know that they really like something, I specifically buy it for them. I have one little girl who never liked vegetables. She hated peppers, and now she loves yellow peppers, and I make sure if I'm using peppers in a recipe to bring them, because it's all about getting kids to eat healthy, be excited about it, and make sure that they're getting in their fruits and vegetables in a way that's kind of fun for them.